Tutumu and the Giant, a story from Indonesia.
Can I have some porridge, Mum? I'm hungry.
No, Tutumu. I make porridge for the giant every morning. He gets angry if there is no porridge.
Yum, yum.
The next morning.
Look after the porridge. Give it to the giant when he comes.
Okay. I'm so hungry. Let me taste the porridge. I want a little bit more. Yum.
Where's my porridge?
Here it is.
This bowl is not full. Tutumu, where are you? Come here. I'm hungry. Oh! Oh!
Now we can eat porridge every day.
Yes, the giant is far away.